Welcome to LedgeView Partners presentation on Microsoft Dynamics CR11, Setting Up Connections. I want to start the presentation off by discussing the difference between the new Connections functionality versus Relationships, which is the functionality in previous versions of Microsoft CRM. The Relationships functionality was limited to accounts, contacts, and opportunities. But what we get with the new Connections functionality is a lot more flexibility. We can connect and describe relationships between any two entity records, including any new entities that you may have added into CRM. And we'll show that a little further on in the presentation. By working in the settings area, we can establish and define new roles, edit the existing roles that we have up, define the connection labels, and define any of the matching connection roles. For the purpose of this presentation, we're going to go through setting up a new investor role, which is going to be connected to the existing startup role. I'm also going to step through some of the other roles that have already been set up in the system and show how those relationships are established as well. Going into CRM, Microsoft CRM, under the Business Management Settings area is where we will find the connection roles. This will show us all existing roles we already have set up in the system, as well as provide the ability to add a new role. I want to add our new investor role by describing what the role is and establishing what the category is that this role is going to belong to. I can also be very selective as far as what record types this role will apply to. And this will show me all of my record types, the system record types, as well as any new record types I've created through the customization wizard in Microsoft CRM. So I'm going to establish those three roles, three record types that could be potential roles or could have this connection established with it. And I can also specify what is the matching connection role. I'm going to go ahead and add an existing role I already have set up in the system. We're going to select our startup role. And now, basically what I'm saying here is that when I have an entity record up and I'm going to establish a connection from that record to a new record, if I say that one of the relationship roles is an investor, then the other connection role will automatically be set to startup because I have a one-to-one matching connection here between investor and startup. And once my label is completely set up, I can save and close. A couple of the other roles I wanted to show you, because we'll be using these in future presentations today, is the association membership and member role. And this would be a way of having an association set up in Microsoft CRM, and you want to be able to track all of the member organizations that are part of that association. So what I can do is specify here that I have an association membership, and again I can specify the record types that this is going to apply to. And I can also say that the existing role that is set up for this is my member role. So again, I have a one-to-one relationship. Another relationship that many of us can probably relate to is this referral and referred by relationship. So as you're getting referrals from your customers or prospects, you want to make sure that you can have good tracking of that within the system. And so by setting up a referral and a referred by relationship makes that a much easier way of being able to track all the referrals you're getting in the system. And the last relationship I want to show you is project location. So project is a new entity within my system, and I am tracking various different types of matching connection roles associated with a project location. So I have agents, specifiers, architects, designers, consultants, and several other relationships that are set up in this particular connection between project location. And one of the other ones that we have set up that I'll be showing in future presentations is our future phase opportunity. And as you can see, I have this connected to a variety of different record types, including my opportunity and my project type as well. So that concludes the presentation by LegView Partners on setting up connection roles. We'll be having follow-up presentations to this on attaching connections to records and then viewing the connections that have been already established using the views and reporting functionality. So join us for those presentations. Thank you.